In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon Prime Watch Party. So this is a great way to watch your favorite TV show or movie with your friends and family. So go ahead and go to Amazon Prime, sign in, and try to select one of your favorite TV shows or movies. I'm going to do this just now by selecting something that I would maybe want to watch. Okay, let's pick Sister Act. Now you'll notice right here it gives me a pop-up for create watch party. If I click on that, that will then bring me on to the next page, and as you can see here, it gives me an option to watch on your Amazon Fire TV and chat on your mobile, which is really good because I'm pretty sure Netflix doesn't have that. Go ahead and put in your name, and all you have to do is hit create watch party. Once you hit the create watch party, you now get a shareable link. So you can copy that link and you can send that on to your friends or family. You can also have the option to share it through email, Facebook or Twitter. So once you have given everyone that link, then they will automatically show up in this chat here. Obviously you're going to be in control of the TV show or movie, and you can use the chat feature just like so to talk about the movie or TV show, whatever you want to do. But it's just a fun way of watching a movie or TV show with your friends and family. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Peace.